My name is Peter Dennis. I'm with Florida Rural Legal Services. I am a managing attorney out of the Fort Myers office, and many of you may remember in 2022, we were hit with Hurricane Ian. And overnight, many of our lives were changed, and many of the lives of the people we serve were changed. But in one of our meetings, somebody said, I have an idea. Why don't we start doing our outreach at laundromats? After a disaster, everybody has dirty clothes, and a lot of people don't have electricity for an extended period of time. And also, laundromats service a lot of the people who are traditionally our clients, people who don't have private washers and dryers. And there's one thing that everybody at a laundromat has besides quarters. That is time. Everybody is waiting to switch their load over to the dryer or take their clothes out the dryer and start folding them. So we had a captive audience. We set up the tables, and people who were reluctant to come to us, who thought, well, you know, I have these problems with my roof disappearing, or I have damage to my house, but what am I going to do, call a lawyer? They didn't see the value necessarily in doing that. But suddenly they had nothing to lose but to come up and talk to us. And the more we talked to them, and the more they talked to us, the more we realized that we had things we could help them with. And the more that they saw that, wow, this is a resource that we can use. That creativity and outreach has continued far past the initial disaster. That creativity and outreach is something we now recognize has to go on 24/7, 364 days of the year. We have to continue to be flexible in how we reach out to our communities, because our communities are not necessarily going to be knocking at our door, but they are going to be in need of our services.